Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I finally got this replacement rotor piece for the Kaabo. I think what we'll do in this video is pull off the front end here, take the old one off, and switcheroo. Get the Kaabo back staying upright. And then we'll do some other mods later down the track, but let's just get it back in working order. First thing we're gonna do is take the front fender off. I think it's a 3mm. Sit that on the scooter. Okay, so that looks like a 7mm or something. Okay, so this one is reverse thread. And the top one's spinning. Fuck man, this is fucking tight. Sheet tight. So that's on the top. Might put the nut back in there and push down on it a little bit. Some movement. We might get the biggest Allan Key we got. Push that puppy out if we can. It's just like, see how it's pushed in the length of the thread. Okay boys, I think I'll save this for tomorrow after work. Still trying to finish a video to get up, so we'll strip this thing later. To get this bottom loose, Hunter pulled this top cap off. I grabbed a big ass Allan Key, put it in the top and tapped it till it went free and it fell down to here. Now I'm going to loosen this and raise it so it should drop off the front and we can get to just this thing. Loosen this. That's tight. One. There we go. She's off. Oh god. Okay, she doesn't want to balance. Filthy bang. Put that underneath. The nut. Clamp the scooter to this thing. Okay, so let's slip that on. Fuck. We're in a pickle. My stand's just a little too high. You gotta use the camera stand. Drag this fan over. No, these cables are too tight. Sweet. Okay. So that's what we're working with. These bearings are shot. Filthy. Alright, so these two Allan Keys are the same as the stem. This side feels like a lock, like the nut. Okay. Hopefully that's not pressed in there. We might have to tap this out. Okay, let's see what happens. Going. That thing is not coming out easily. Solid. Get this other one prepped. Get a bit of grease. We've got the new one here. And grab the thing that we removed. Bit of high temperature grease on our clip seal. Glove. Apply a bit to this just to make it easier to put in. Scrunch that up a little bit. Keep that for the bearings in this. Now I'm going to clamp this in. Just gonna get a piece of timber for the clamp. So we got a piece of timber to put on this side, and clamp that in. I don't know if you can see that, but it's going in pretty well. That's in. Solid. Grab the nut. One that in. Might as well tighten that up. Looking good. Now, get the bearings. So now you want to pack these with grease. Really pack it on these things. No harm in doing that. Okay, we'll slot the top one in. And now, grease up the bottom one. This is going to be the hard part, I think. Hey, baby. Yeah, let's try to lift this thing up. You're gonna need a bit. Now have to loosen this more. Slide it up out of the way. Hey Clint, can you just pass me this fucking black nut under here? Oh, and well, just wind it in here. This thread, just wind it in there. Oh fuck. Had to like get the bearings in, keep the nozzle straight. Alright, so definitely get a hand with that, because getting that bolt on at the end would have been impossible. So we're going to tighten that up. Got a bit tied up. Sweet. Tighten these up. Okay. That came out from underside the deck. Completely snapped. I don't know how it's still hanging in there. That's not good. At least she's back together. Alright, I think we'll finish this video with some more work. So now that we have this thing back together and going, the replacement front rotor piece, everything's all good, nice and stiff, apart from the broken bolt. I think I put these pro tapers on it. Bought it for my Suron, but didn't fit, so might try them out, see how they go. Okay, we got the bars off, everything loose on the deck. Put these big ass contours on. Alright guys, these bars are just a bit too wide, so I'm gonna cut them down on the 4, both sides. Then put the grips on and the throttle, fix up these cables, and she's good to go. Might even customize the bar pad to fit on there. Bars are cut back, put the bar end caps back in, and just slid the throttle on. Got to do it up. Got to put this grip on. That's on the wrong side, I just realized. But should have enough room to do that. Alright guys, so the Pro Tapers went great. Yeah, I definitely feel like they're a bit more of a more comfortable bend. This is the Pastrana FMX bend. It's quite high. It's a little bit angled back, probably a bit too much, but it's tolerable, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So I filmed a bit of a comparison video on 3 different throttles that I have. So I've got a standard, the thumb, and this twist throttle. Now it's off my head cam, so it's probably a bit high, but so yeah, you'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's interesting. I might try to do some lap times, so comment down below if you're keen to see that, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.